All right, guys, if y'all wonder why this car is in this form, well, I think my alternator decided to take a crap on me on the way home. So luckily that I was already close by the house, because by that time it went from 14 to 9.8 volts to 9 volts, and it was getting ready to shut off. I ain't had no damn power steering, so it's hot. I already started digging into it. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the batteries, get this alternator off, figure out where one is, and get ready to spend almost close to $400 for alternator. Yay. So it's the way life rolls, baby. You gotta keep rolling with them punches and just do what you gotta do. But I'll keep y'all guys informed once I get the alternator and get it back on the car, and hopefully we're on the right track to fixing this, you know. But yeah, ain't this some shit? All right, got the alternator on. Let's go get one. But this is what it sounds like. All right, guys, after driving like to 4 locations trying to find a alternator, we finally found one, you know. Cost me $440. That's some change. Not the $440 I wanted to spend. Could have spent it on something else. But let's switch over. We got the alternator back in the car. Yeah, buddy. What we look like. We're about ready to fire this thing up. Until then, stay tuned. All right, we're gonna do a battery reset. So let's get these cables back on. Vehicle. Get this one tightened up. All right, this on there. Oh, she already trying to come on. Get it tightened down. All right, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna hit the start button. You're gonna hit the flashes 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit the brake 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And the battery light gonna flash. Let it know it reset it. Shut it off for a minute. Then we start.